To set the RSI indicator in TradingView, start by opening the platform and navigating to the chart of your chosen asset. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen, which looks like a small chart with a plus sign. This will open the indicator window where you can browse through various indicators or search for a specific one. In the search bar, type RSI and select the Relative Strength Index from the drop-down list. This will add the RSI indicator to your chart. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, helping you identify overbought and oversold conditions. The default settings for the RSI indicator are a length of 14, which means it calculates the average gain and loss over the past 14 periods. You can adjust this length to suit your trading strategy, with a shorter length being more sensitive and a longer length being less sensitive. To adjust the settings, click on the gear icon next to the RSI indicator and select the Settings option. In the Settings window, you can change the length, source, and other parameters. The source refers to the price data used to calculate the RSI, with options including close, open, high, and low. The RSI indicator has two key levels, 30 and 70, which represent oversold and overbought conditions respectively. When the RSI falls below 30, it indicates that the asset is oversold and may be due for a bounce. Conversely, when the RSI rises above 70, it indicates that the asset is overbought and may be due for a correction. To use the RSI indicator effectively, combine it with other forms of analysis, such as trend lines and chart patterns. This will help you identify high-probability trading opportunities and make informed decisions. Remember to always backtest your strategy and adjust the RSI settings to suit your trading style and risk tolerance.